It's been amazing to see what people are interested in hearing, and it's been amazing to see the kind of questions they're interested in. They often don't know where to start, and it's amazing to not be ships in the night where we can have people with solutions, link up with people with challenges. And so it's great to hear from other people in the industry and how they're tackling solutions as well. So it's been a nice mixture of content and networking. Now, I was impressed by the level of sophistication of the audience and the ability to speak to decision makers and understand what keeps them up at night and how they're thinking about practically implementing some of the solutions we're seeing in the industry. Yeah, absolutely. I think our involvement will probably grow. This year was as a speaker, maybe next year as an exhibitor, and I'd love to be able to spend more time here.